Welcome to D2 Trailer Sales. My name is Ryan. I'm going to show you this Maverick Lite Deluxe. It is a 2-horse slant load bumper pole. It's an all aluminum frame structure, aluminum skin, wood floor in the horse area. Has nice running boards on both sides of the trailer. Camper door with a window. Does come with a brush bag. Swing out saddle rack. That's on a gas shock. Dual blanket bars. Bridle hooks all the way across the top. Carpet on the bottom, as well as the spare tire. And more blanket bars if you need as well. The swing out saddle rack just swings back in, just like that, nice tucked in away. Sliding butt windows, torsion axles, 6-lug wheels, 225, 75 R15 tires, so a little bit larger. Double rear doors, rubber matting all the way across the bottom on both head, butt, and front and rear. Telescoping divider, so this slides in so you can actually have it stored across without having to remove it. Roof vents, one per stall. You go front and you also go backwards as well. Drop down windows on the head side. Very lightweight, easy to haul. We do have these in other colors as well. We can bring it in black and charcoal. Come on in, check it out.